PEPEcoin is doing a big retracement right now, but is it normal? Are we going to get a massive crash from here, or can we still expect high on this asset? Well, the answer is was simply in the previous updates. If we had to retrace from here, and it's absolutely normal to retrace at some point, what we have to look for? We simply had to look, for a wave for retracement. So this was the lower time frame plan, but we was looking simply for this white wave for retracement here. If we had to go lower with a double DXY here on the lower time frame, I'm just going to go here on the chart and show you how this play it. So the thing is, we've planned, this nice buy zone really between the 2316 MC so the 3132. 38.2 and the 50%. This, you can see here, this nice double EXY, the red wave you can see here, was exactly what we've planned. It was 7 hours ago. If we have to drop from here, we was already prepared and ready for this WXY and was looking here simply for this buy zone with a white wave for. Of course, if we start dropping more than this, it's not looking good at all, because if we drop more, it's fine. But if we start, of course, breaking the 618 66%, this full count is not valid anymore, and we have a bearish wave count. I'm not going to, I can show it here really quick if you want to. It's simply here a W, okay, we have a W, an X, and a Y wave, and a Y wave have simply an ABC zigzag. There is no wave for N5 next. So if we do this, yes, it's gonna drop. It all depends of what Bitcoin is going to decide. If you want to know what's going to happen more likely for the moment on Bitcoin, simply go and check out the last Bitcoin update on the YouTube channel. You will get the answer. Normally, it should be bullish. Okay. Now, there are some bearish wave count, but just go and check the video to understand better. Anyway, so here we can add back the waves, higher time frame bullish. So we just have to go on the lower time frame. How is it possible to catch that bottom here? You just had to pull the extension tool from the W root to the W bottom to the X wave top, and from here at the correction targets. So to speak, the MC extension, I'm just gonna remove that for the moment, MC extension, so 618, 71, 786, then we have the 120 extension, then we have the 123, and then we have the maximum target, the 1618. As always, should we touch the 200%? It's an invalidation. Here it's fine, to be fair, because we do some big move down, so it's okay if we touch this. But if we start, as I said, breaking the wave 4, so to speak, this wave 4 here, 618 66%, so to speak, the 2 fibs there, it's not looking good anymore, and we have to look for the bearish wave count. So it's gonna be a massive crash in that case. But as soon as this buy zone is holding, it's absolutely fine. Now we can, by the way, remove this there, okay, and keep only the 38.2 50% and make it like this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Elliott wave is absolutely crazy. This was, as you can see, possible to plan, and that's why Elliott wave is insane, because you are always aware of what is going to happen next. Always aware of this. You can see here WXY, and this is exactly what's happened. It's just mind-blowing, really. I know I repeat myself a lot, but it's just mind-blowing, really. This is absolutely insane. So yeah, from this WXY, now the thing is, what can we look for next? Well, it's very simple. We just have to look for what we have planned again. We just have to look for this wave 4 bottom, possibly in, or maybe a bit more longer. It's possible too, okay? It depends if we make a bigger correction. The most important is really to hold this 50% and not go too low down to the 61866%. As soon as we hold the buy target here, it's fine, and we can look for the wave 4 and for another increase in price for the wave 5 here. And the targets are simply going to be the following ones that are on the other chart, by the way, that are here. These targets was planned already, a lot before, when it was during the push to the upside. These targets, all of these targets here, will be simply the wave 3 targets. So to speak, when we're going to bounce, if we have to bounce from the wave 4 up to the wave to make the wave 5 next, well, we should get a retracement from one of these targets, and this wave 5 can go simply. We will have to do the smaller wave count in this to find also the smaller waves target in there. See if this is extremely bullish. We're going to go, for example, to the max target, or we should stop from here, for example. We're going to recognize this by doing the smaller waves. So as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications to stay updated. And if you want to get some live updates, really do not hesitate to join the Discord server. I'm really active there. And for example, well, you've got the trade, and all of this was planned before it happened, of course. I mean, this was, for example, I was telling you the data you wanted to get, but this was a Bitcoin new all-time high short. And after the drop to the, not to the dollar, but I mean the exact bottom, really, we have been able to long this here simply because, I mean, thanks to the strategy here I have created. And so well, this is just absolutely insane, really. And all of these channels are absolutely free, and I'm really updating many coins on a daily basis, so make sure to join it if you want to stay updated. I'm gonna, of course, update some PEPEcoin if there are some setups, for example, stuff like this. And yeah, so after the wave 4 comes the wave 5, and the wave 5 should end in any of these targets. For now, it's too early to determine in which one is going to stop, simply because we need to get a smaller wave in there, some more data printed on the chart. And once we have done this, once we are going to get this, well, we're going to be able to recognize how far it's going to go. So yeah, these are all the territory we can look for. I let you pause the screen to check all the prices there we can reach. And once we have done that wave 3, well, again, we shall get a massive drop for a wave 4 and another wave 5 next. Just, I don't want to make you really super bullish, but if Bitcoin starts something massive to the upside, there is another possibility here, is to make something absolutely crazy to the upside. I know there is money in my name, but as you can see, if there is a short to take, I'm going to take it. I don't really care if it's up or down. I'm making my money from the shorts and longs. If I have to short, I'm going to short the market. But as some Bitcoin is possibly super bullish next, it all depends really on Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin confirm a parabolic move, it's possible that the wave 3 was not in at all. This is not at all a wave 4, but we're going to make a bigger impulsive here to the upside. And when I'm saying a bigger impulsive, it's really a bigger impulsive, and this is going to reach some absolutely crazy prices. The thing is, in that case, this was 5 waves. You know, the 5 waves, I don't have this here, on the other one here, you know, the 5 green waves here, 1, 2, 3, or 5, are simply 5 waves to make, just gonna control everything. Perfect. It was simply here for a possible, in that case, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and then we're going to look for a 3, 4, 5. If we do this, it's gonna be absolutely insane. Now, it's not confirmed, it's just in case, for example, the wave 5, so for example, we have a wave 3, the wave 4, it's really, we have to take this only if Bitcoin is super bullish, and only if the wave 5 start to reach much more higher prices. And for example, on the RSI, we start making on a bigger time frame a new high. So instead of getting, for example, a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, and normally here you make a new high, you have a high, higher high, then in that case, you should get a high, lower high. If the RSI start to make a new high, I will take this bigger impulsive to the upside, because if we have to make a new high, it means that we're in a wave 3. So in that case, it means that we are in the wave 3 of this configuration, these waves here, and so we have to take a bigger impulsive to the upside. It's just something to be aware of. I don't want to make you too bullish. Don't risk your house on this. Always get a good risk management. This is extremely important. Per trade, never risk more than 2% of your whole account. Please, this is extremely important. And in any case, I'm not a financial advisor. You make your own trading and investment decision. I'm just showing you my different plans here. And don't forget, yeah, there is a bearish wave count. If we have to be bearish, this is extremely important. There will be, as I said earlier, W, X, and Y, and only an ABC zigzag, and so now it's just going to drop massively. It all depends on Bitcoin. But yeah, for now, as Bitcoin is still okay for the bullish plan, we can look for such configuration. There is nothing to worry until really start breaking a lot below this, and if Bitcoin really is really bearish. Otherwise, until this happens, it's all good. Everything is following perfectly for now, so there's no reason to stress really. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the content here. Hope these updates are very useful, and if you want to make such predictions, well, simply go and sign up on the website. You have a brand new LOF course there waiting for you. Into the course section, you will be able to play 3 contests, 1 contest for free, and the 4 first courses are absolutely free. And the 4 first courses, there are 10, but the 4 first courses represent really more than half of the full Elliott wave course. So if you want to learn Elliott waves, make such predictions, just go and sign up for absolutely free on the website, and you will be able to play a contest in April. You can find the calendar here into your account page. A nice calendar here, so you know exactly when is what. If I can click it, I don't know why. It bugged it anyways. You have the calendar there into your account page right here. Perfect. You can find exactly so you know exactly when is what. Really, you have a Q&A on the previous course on every Wednesday, and these 4 first courses are free plus the first contest, and next we continue with apprentice. So if you want to continue with me, you continue. If you don't want, you just have to do nothing, because you do not sign up as apprentice. Sign up for free, so you don't have to pay anything. And yeah, 2 more contests with, of course, some bigger prize pool. We talk about, yeah, $500 and $1,000, and more people will join in, more this will be, I will increase this simply. bigger will be the price pool. So yeah, hope you're enjoying. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, the notifications. Thank you also so much if you take the time to write some comments down below. It helps a lot, as always, with YouTube algorithm. So really, thank you so much. And have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.